What are the differences between a non-reactive and a reactive pot? When it comes to eco-printing, it's really important to understand that the composition of your pot is going to affect the outcome of your prints and also affect the background color on your fabric. So non-reactive pots have always been used traditionally for natural dyeing, and these would include glass and stainless steel. The reason that one might choose a non-reactive pot is to have a known and measured result and to be able to achieve the same results time after time. Because if you are working with traditional powdered mordants, you have weighed your fabric before you dye or eco-print, and you know the quantity of mordant that you are using for the weight of your fiber or fabric, and you also know the quantity of your dye material, you are going to be able to achieve the same results time after time. And this could be important for you if you are creating a collection of textiles and you want them all absolutely identical. But if you want to work in a more environmentally mindful and health conscious way without using traditional powdered mordants, it's really, really exciting and fun to harness the power of a reactive pot, such as aluminium, cast iron, or copper. And these can mimic in a small way the effects of the traditional powdered mordants. So you can get complex background colors, subtle variations in color, fabric that almost appears alive when it's printed or dyed. And choosing a pot is a really important part of getting your studio equipment all set up and running. So think carefully whether you choose aluminium, cast iron, or copper.